Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best wrinkle repair is probably one of the most talked about night creams in the skincare world, promising to turn back the clock while you sleep. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night, exploring its ingredients, benefits, and whether it's the right choice for your skin. Get ready to uncover the secrets to a more youthful complexion. Number 5. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Face Moisturizer. Introducing the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Face Moisturizer. This daily anti-aging cream is designed to combat the signs of aging. It helps to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. With just one jar, you can reverse up to 7 years of visible skin aging. This cream targets wrinkles around the eyes, cheeks, and crow's feet. The formula includes hyaluronic acid for added moisture. The accelerated retinol complex visibly renews skin texture and evens tone. It smooths the appearance of fine lines. This lotion is suitable for daily use and is free of parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. Clinically proven to smooth fine lines in 1 week and fade wrinkles in 4 weeks. This cream is effective for both the face and neck. You will see a noticeable difference in a short time. This Neutrogena moisturizer is expertly formulated to maximize results. It minimizes irritation potential, providing a skincare solution. Use it to achieve and maintain healthy, hydrated skin. What we like. This cream promises to turn back the clock, visibly reducing wrinkles in just weeks. If you're looking to combat multiple signs of aging and want a product that delivers noticeable results, you should consider this one. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive anti-aging solution. What people say. The wrinkles, in particular my forehead, have literally diminished. With consistent nightly use, this rapid repair has changed the appearance of my skin. I love the way it feels and smells and really noticed a brightening of my skin and minimizing of fine lines. Number 4. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream. Introducing Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream. This cream is designed to combat the signs of aging while you sleep. It helps to rejuvenate your skin overnight. Clinically proven, this night cream helps smooth the look of wrinkles. You can see a difference in as little as 4 weeks. It's a simple step for younger-looking skin. The formula includes vitamin C to even out skin tone. It also helps to visibly firm the skin. This product works to improve your skin's overall radiance. Infused with glycerin and shea butter, this moisturizer works while you sleep. It deeply hydrates your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized. You'll wake up with improved skin. Featuring hexanol technology, this cream boosts your skin's ability to improve its appearance. It visibly improves firmness, revealing smoother and younger-looking skin. Incorporate it into your nightly routine. Apply the cream evenly over your face and neck every night after cleansing. This will help to deeply moisturize and revive your skin while you sleep. Make this a part of your skincare regimen. What we like. This night cream focuses on evening out your skin tone and firming your skin while you sleep. If you have uneven skin tone or are concerned about firmness, you should consider this. It's a great choice for those who want to wake up with a more radiant complexion. What people say. Your face looks refreshed and soft. Wrinkles get discreet. It's not greasy. It soaks in quickly and leaves my skin visibly smoother. Number 3. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night Moisturizer. Introducing the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night Moisturizer. This product is designed to help you fight fine lines and wrinkles while you sleep. It's a powerful addition to your nightly skincare routine. This night cream is formulated with retinol, a dermatologist-proven form of vitamin A, and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients work together to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. It helps to improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles. The anti-aging moisturizer delivers retinol deep within the skin's surface. It's clinically proven to instantly hydrate for smoother skin. You may see results in just 1 week. This product is formulated without parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. It's the perfect addition to your daily anti-aging beauty routine. It comes from the #1 retinol brand used most by dermatologists. Give yourself an at-home self-care experience with this night cream. It helps to fight fine lines, dullness, wrinkles, and dark spots. Use it nightly for best results. What we like. This product combines the power of retinol and hyaluronic acid to fight fine lines and wrinkles. If you are looking for a product that is clinically proven and recommended by dermatologists, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who want a powerful anti-aging treatment. What people say. Works well over time. Nothing drastic, just smoother, hydrated skin that promotes less wrinkling. It feels clean and won't cause pimples or clogged pores. I saw improvement in skin within 3 days. It really does smooth out the skin and prevent the skin from breaking out. Number 2. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night Cream. Introducing the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night Cream. This night cream is designed to reduce the appearance of wrinkles while you sleep. It's a perfect addition to your nightly skincare routine. This cream features a powerful combination of retinol and hyaluronic acid. Retinol helps to diminish the look of dark spots and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid helps to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. The formula is clinically proven to deliver visible results in just 1 week. It visibly reduces the look of wrinkles, including crow's feet and forehead wrinkles. You'll see a difference quickly. This anti-aging moisturizer is free of parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. The product is gentle yet effective, making it suitable for various skin types. It's a great choice for your skin. This product comes from the #1 retinol brand used most by dermatologists. It is a great addition to your daily anti-aging beauty routine. You can enjoy an at-home self-care experience. What we like. This night cream is designed to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and diminish dark spots. If you like a product that offers visible results in just 1 week, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want a quick and effective solution for aging skin. What people say. I have been using this face cream for years and I love it. It helps with softness of skin and make my skin look younger. I am 78-year-old and no wrinkles. I love the entire Rapid Wrinkle Repair line. I've used other products but none will smooth my skin like these. I have sensitive skin and at first could only apply it 3-4x a week. As your skin adjusts you can use it every night. Need to add a plain moisturizer on top in winter for extra moisturizing but fine alone in summer. I've used this for years. I look good for my age because of this stuff. It really does keep the wrinkles away. Number 1. Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Night Cream. Introducing the Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Night Cream. This night cream is designed to help you wake up with more radiant and even-toned skin. It works overnight to target dark spots and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This moisturizer is clinically proven to reduce the look of dark spots and discoloration. It helps to brighten and even your skin tone. You'll start to see visible results in just 1 week. The Rapid Tone Repair Night Moisturizer contains accelerated retinol SA. This helps to smooth fine lines and wrinkles. It also diminishes the look of age spots, leaving your skin looking younger. Formulated with vitamin C, this cream gently diffuses the look of brown spots. It evens out your skin tone, improving clarity and radiance. The result is noticeably more even and younger-looking skin. Use this night moisturizer to see increased clarity and more radiant skin in just 1 week. Over time, with repeated use, you'll notice a reduction in dark spots, discoloration, and blotchiness. This cream is specifically designed to reduce the look of dark spots and discoloration. It's a simple step to incorporate into your nightly routine for a more even and youthful complexion. It is a great choice for your skin. What we like. This night moisturizer targets dark spots and helps even skin tone. If you are looking to brighten your skin and reduce discoloration, you should consider this. It's a great choice for those who want a more radiant and even complexion. What people say. This product has really helped with the fine lines and wrinkles on my face. I have been using this product for a few weeks now and I can already see a difference in my skin. The product is easy to apply and absorbs quickly into the skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.